Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for LBR Educates, and today we're going to be looking at the color harmony of a monochromatic design. And for this style of design to work, you need to look at a variety of tints, tones, and shades of those floral materials. And you just look here at the richness. I have some a little bit lighter tone in the stock, some of the rich deep tones in some of the roses, a little bit lighter on spray roses, but other textural elements that are gonna really come together and create that unity within the design that'll really bring somebody into the design. To start off with, we're going to be using the Pink Mink Protea. And this really brings in that neo-tropical trend that we're seeing that Hitomi started. And what it does, it all of a sudden makes your design a conversation piece. So you look at that and it's like, it draws a customer in. What's that? I've never seen that before. It's really different. So it's a Pink Mink Protea. It's a tropical arrangement. All of a sudden they're thinking about their vacation, the last time they were in Hawaii or something. And it really brings them on a journey, and it gives them a story to tell their customers. And it'll be a memorable experience that they'll connect with as they're enjoying their arrangement. So we'll just come in and we're going to be placing our floral materials in groupings. I did my foam kind of even with the container so I don't have a ton of foam to hide. We're going to use some roses and just bring them out onto the sides, framing that pincushion protea. So you can see we kind of bring it back and forth. We're seeing that style of design kind of come out and embrace the hug, it was what I call it. Lots of times with roses, I like to use spray roses too. They add a lot of value. You get a lot of look for the insertion. Every stem you insert is money. Another element of design that you want to add in is fragrance. And so here we're adding some of that stock. So here's our completed design, and you can see how those tints, tones, and shades of that monochromatic color combination really create a unified look. Our florals are in groupings to add more impact and kind of bring your eye throughout the design, but they all work together to create a unified composition. I'm Sandy Schreck, and this has been LBR Educates. If you like this combination, give us a thumbs up. What's your favorite color combination and what sells best out of your cooler? That'd be an interesting topic for another discussion. But so make sure and give us a like, take a look at subscribing to our playlist. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sandy Schreck, and I hope I inspired you to make some fabulous florals.